Hi you guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I will be showing you how I achieved this beautiful silk press using Fashin's iconic one-pass styling flat iron. My friends over at Faszin was so nice enough to send me over this flat iron, and what better way than to kick off silk press season than with the new flat iron. So if you are interested to see how this flat iron got my 4C hair so pressed and so slick and sleek and flat with one pass, then make sure you keep watching. So before we get into this video, I do want to go ahead and unbox the flat iron for you. So if you were interested in purchasing, you would know exactly what comes in the box. So for starters, you will get this manual. It just gives you information on the flat iron itself and how to care for it. And then once you open up the actual box, the flat iron is inside. Y'all, this flat iron is so cute. Like, it's just so me. It's so sleek. It's just a vibe. It has the 3 buttons on the side where you can turn it on, of course, and then control the temperature that you want to set it to. This flat iron heats up to 450 degrees, which is really hot. You don't have to heat it up that high, of course. Definitely just set it to your liking and what you believe that your hair can take. It does also come with this bag that you can use to store your flat iron in once you finish styling your hair. Then they also sent me 2 clips. Another feature that I like about this flat iron, it has the clamp to close it and to open it. Flat iron heats up really quick. I just wanted to show you how quickly it heats up to 360 degrees. It can get up to 180 degrees in about 20 seconds. If you're in a rush and you just need to touch up your hair really quickly, this flat iron is going to do the job because it heats up really quick. So Faszin Shield F100 is as good as GHD with equally sleek results. And I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, I was very surprised at how this flat iron exceeded my expectations. Definitely being a 4C girly is really hard to get your hair silky straight, but this flat iron really did get the job done, and I'm really surprised. It really surpassed my expectations, and I'm not just saying that. Starting off, this is my hair freshly washed and blow dried. I do have a wash day video and how I prep for a silk press video on my channel. I'll leave a card, you can check it out. But I'm gonna prep my hair before I flat iron it with some heat protectant. Always protect your hair with some heat protectant. So I found the key to a really good silk press is to work in small sections, especially if you have really thick coarse hair like me. Always work in smaller sections. The smaller the sections, the better. I found that when you work in small sections, the heat will distribute it through your hair strands equally, which causes a nice flatter look, giving you that nice fresh silk press look versus the blowout look. So I take about, I don't know, maybe a quarter of a section, and then I begin to work. Faszin, they challenged me to a one pass challenge with this flat iron, and that's all I'm gonna do. Throughout this whole video, you'll just see me pass the flat iron through my hair one time, which I love because who wants heat damage? I do often try to only pass the flat iron through my hair one time, but sometimes, you know, you have to go back and hit it twice. But truly, guys, with this flat iron, I did only have to hit each strand once, and I was very satisfied. My roots, they were really flat. I didn't have to go in and burn my roots 3 and 4 times like with some other flat irons. I only had to hit it once with this one. Also, keep in mind that when you're doing a silk press, the foundation is key. Just like with anything in life, when you have a good foundation, you will always get good results. So make sure you blow your hair out as straight as you can get it with the blow dryer, and make sure you use really good products when you wash your hair, so that way once it's time to get to the flat ironing part, it's a piece of cake. So I'm just taking my hair in really small sections and working my way through each strand really slow to make sure I hit every piece of hair so I don't have to go back in a second time. I also did want to mention to you guys that Faszin was so kind enough to offer a 50% discount on this flat iron. If you were interested in purchasing, just use the link that's in my description bar and you'll get the discount for the 50% off. The original price on this flat iron is $149.99. But if you use the link that's in my description bar, you'll get it for only $79.99. I think it's a perfect gift for the holidays coming up. You can gift this to all of your family and friends, especially the hair gurus in your family. If you are interested, there's no discount code needed. Just click the link that's in my description.
Rock with me now.
Do y'all see this? Like, oh, so silky. Look. Like, oh, did y'all see that? Ooh, yeah, I like this. I love it. Ooh, yeah. Okay, let's finish. Let's finish. Okay, so this is one side, as y'all can see. Let me move all the way to the front. Like, oh, OMG. Like, OMG, like, look at this. Like, my hair is super flat. And I normally never get it this flat. I need to trim a little bit, but other than that, it's like perfect. Like, I have really thick hair, so for me to get it this flat is crazy. Super silky. So I'm gonna hit the other side, and then I'm gonna do a quick little curl in my hair because I just don't want it to be like straight like this. I want a little curl in it. So let me do the other side, and then I'm gonna come back. Like, do y'all see the difference? Like, I mean, y'all see the difference. So you guys, this is the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on your post notification bell so you're notified whenever a new video goes up. And also don't forget to follow me on all my social media sites. I will put everything down below in the description, including all of Fashin's information, as well as that link to this flat iron that I used in this video if you were interested in purchasing. And until my next video, I will be seeing you guys later. Bye.